Hello, my name is Dr. Claire Stagg. I'd like to introduce my book, Smile, It's All Connected, Whole Health Through Balance. This book has been a culmination of my career as a professional as well as a mother. I graduated in 1982 in France, and it's an outside-the-box book talking about all the connections with the body, past, present, future, how we used to be called dental physicians. We are actually neurobiological engineers of the head and the neck. And what triggered my writing this book that has taken a full 10 years plus was my research at Tufts showing how changing the direction you walk in can affect, how changing your bike can change the direction you walk in. And also because my daughter fell and hit her chin. And as you know, at 3, any future treatment for TMJ disorders was actually surgery, and I refused to let my child be operated on. So this has been a culminating passion of mine, putting all the questions that all the mothers of patients have asked me for my entire career that has been in here. It's for lay persons, it's not a pedantic textbook. It talks about any connection with the head, with the mouth, with the jaw joints, with the tongue, with the airway, with breathing, with the body, the head, the neck, the hips, the joints, the toes, anything that you can think of is in here. It deals with the connections. You'll see I have a sign here. It's very methodically laid out, structural, chemical, mechanical, functional, emotional, spiritual. And where I'd like to go ahead and to point out is one of the connections that we made, especially with the opioid epidemic in the United States, was that I found StellaLife, which is a solution that we use. It comes with a gel or a spray and or a recovery kit. We use so many different of their products, and it helps the healing process for a non-steroidal as well as non-opioid resolution. So with that in mind, I'd like you to know that this book is available for laypersons. My goal was to change the mindset, the demand, because once we change the demand and the people, the moms, the families want to know about this, then the supply will have to change. And this book is the bridge over. This is for you, doctors, to know how to handle all those questions those moms come to. And this is also for people to know what questions to ask so they can recover and reconnect with their health. God bless.